Hello students, welcome to e-classes from PNM Masri High School. We will continue with our chapter number 1, sum number 19. Now question number 19 from your workbook, page number 13. Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. See here a table is given in which the information is given, and on the basis of the information we have to answer the question which are given below. In this table, type of vehicle, capacity to carry mangoes in one trip, and speed of the vehicle per hour is given. Here different types of vehicles are given, and the capacity to carry mangoes in one trip means in one trip how much weight does the vehicle carry, that is mentioned, and what is the speed of the vehicle per hour. The first vehicle is bullock cart. It carries 200 kilograms of mangoes in one trip, and the speed of bullock cart is 5 km per hour. Second is a tempo rickshaw, which carries 700 kilograms of mangoes in one trip, and the speed of tempo rickshaw is 15 km per hour. Third is a tractor, which carries 1000 kilograms in one trip, and the speed of tractor is 25 km per hour. Last, truck. Truck carries 6000 kilogram of mangoes in one trip, and the speed of truck is 45 km per hour. Now question number 1, which you have to solve. How much mangoes will a bullock cart carry in 3 trips? We have to find out the weight of the mangoes which a bullock cart carries if he does 3 trips. See here in the table, it's shown that a bullock cart carries 200 kilograms of mangoes in one trip. So first statement we will write is mangoes carried in a trip. In one trip, how much mangoes are carried is 200 kilograms. Number of trips is equals to 3, which is asked in the question, mentioned in the question that bullock cart does 3 trips. So what we have to find is how much mangoes will a bullock cart carry. So total mangoes carried is equals to, we have to multiply this 200 kilograms by 3. So by multiplying 200 by 3, we will get 600 kilograms. So 600 kilograms of mangoes will be carried by a bullock cart in 3 trips. Student, try to solve question number 2 by yourself. Question number 3. What distance will a tempo rickshaw travel in 4 hours? If the tempo rickshaw travels continuously for 4 hours, how much distance will it travel? Distance traveled by tempo rickshaw in an hour is equals to 50 kilometers. See in the table, it's given a tempo rickshaw covers 15 km per hour. So distance traveled by tempo rickshaw in an hour 15 kilometers, which is given in the table. Number of hours which the tempo rickshaw will travel is 4, which is given in the question. So what we have to find is, we have to find out the distance which the tempo rickshaw will travel in these 4 hours. So total distance travelled is 15 multiplied by 4. By multiplying these two numbers, we will get 60 kilometers. So a tempo rickshaw will travel 60 kilometers in 4 hours. Student, try to solve question number 4 by yourself. Now we will move to question number 5. How much time will a bullock cart take to travel the distance of 70 kilometers? Now here you have to find out the time which the bullock cart will take to cover 70 kilometers. Distance travelled by bullock cart in an hour is equals to 5 kilometers. See, it's given in the table that the bullock cart travels 5 kilometers per hour. total distance traveled is equals to 70 kilometers, which is given in the question. Now what you have to find is, you have to find the time which the bullock cart will take to travel 70 kilometers. So to find out the number of hours needed to cover the distance, to find out how much hours the bullock cart will take to cover 70 kilometers, we have to divide 70 kilometers by 5 kilometers. So by dividing 70 by 5, we will get 14 hours. So the bullock cart will take 14 hours to travel 70 kilometers. Students, try to solve question number 6 by yourself. Now question number 20. Sneha counted the numbers of vehicles passing by a road. 2000 vehicles passed by in 2 hours. One half of the vehicles were cars, 1/4 of them were auto rickshaws, and the remaining were trucks. Find the number of vehicles of each type. See student, what is given in the question is Sneha is counting the number of vehicles. So she has counted almost 2000 vehicles which passed by a road in 2 hours. One half of the vehicles were car. Out of 2000 vehicles, half vehicles were car and 1/4 of them were auto rickshaws. See, out of 2000 vehicles, half were cars and 1/4 were auto rickshaws and the remaining were trucks. We have to find out the number of the vehicle of each type. We have to find out how many cars were passed within 2 hours, how many auto rickshaws were passing on the road within the 2 hours, and how many trucks passed the road within that 2 hours time. Now solution for sum number 20. Total vehicles passed in 2 hours is equals to 2000, which is given in the question. One half of the vehicles were car. That is also given in the question. Now we will find out the numbers of cars. Students, as you all know, one half means 1/2. So the numbers of car is equals to 2000 multiplied by half. By multiplying half and 2000, we will get 1000. Here we have to multiply 2001 and divide the answer by 2. 2000 multiplied by 1 is 2000. 2000 divided by 2 is 1000. Therefore, numbers of cars is equals to 1000. Next, 1/4 of the vehicles were auto rickshaws. That is also given in the question, that 1/4 of vehicles were auto rickshaw. Here 1/4 is equals to 1/4. So the number of auto rickshaw is equals to 2000 multiplied by 1/4. Here also same way we have to calculate. We have to multiply 2000 by 1 and then divide the answer by 4. 2000 ones are 2000 and 2000 divided by 4 is 500. Therefore, the number of auto rickshaws is equals to 500. Now, the number of trucks. See, it was mentioned in the question that the remaining vehicles that passed on the roads were truck. So, how we will calculate how many trucks passed by that road? We have to find out by the method like total vehicles minus number of cars minus number of auto rickshaw. Total vehicles were 2000. Number of cars which we have found out earlier in the sum, that is 1000, and number of auto rickshaws also we have calculated earlier, that is 500. By subtracting number of cars and number of auto rickshaws by total vehicles, we get 500. So the number of trucks is equals to 500. So what was asked in the question? We have to find out the number of vehicles of each type. So numbers of cars is equals to 1000. Number of auto rickshaw is equals to 500 and number of trucks is equals to 500. Student, try to solve question number 20, sum number A by yourself. Students, with this we end our today's video. We'll continue with our chapter in the next video.